Hi, this is Vicki with Condi Systems Technical Support, and today I want to show you how to set up color management for using ICC Profile in Photoshop Elements 8.0. I have my application open, so the first thing I want to do is to create a new document. So I'm going to go to File, New, Blank File, and I'm just going to call this Demo. My color mode is RGB, and that's what I want. My background contents are going to be transparent, so I'm going to say OK. And I just want to put something on the page so that I can access all my color settings. So I'm going to click this little square over in my Tools menu, and that's going to allow me to drag a box on the page. Now I want to go to Edit, Color Settings, and from this dialog box I see 4 radio buttons where I can choose from different settings. The one we want to choose is Always Optimized for Printing, and it's already selected in mine, so you'll want to select it in yours. I'm going to click OK, and now I want to go to File and Print. We're not going to print, we just want to be able to set up all the color management settings and choose a printer and put a profile in there so that we can manage color correctly. So number one, I want to select my printer. Now the way we're setting up color management in Photoshop Elements 8.0 would work for any printer, whether it be Ricoh or Epson, when you're using dye sublimation. So today we're going to choose the Gel Sprinter GX7000, which I have already selected. And if you don't have your printer selected correctly, just click the flyout and find it in your menu. And so number two, I have the option to change my printer settings, which I don't really need to do, but I do want to confirm that my driver is set up correctly. So I'm just going to click Change. My printer is right. Auto Tray Select is what I want for this printer. And then the advanced settings, where I can see the Condi ICC custom setting is in there. And that's just a confirmation for me that I know that its color management is turned off on the driver. So I'm just going to click OK, and I'm going to OK out of that box. Now what I want to do is to, once I've confirmed all my paper size is correct and for my document, I want to go over here and click More Options. And here I have the option from Printing Choices to mirror my image, which you'll often do with Condi substrates. So I want to flip my image, and for the Ricoh, the only place to flip the image is in the application. With Epson people who are using Epson systems, you can of course save your mirror image from the driver, but for this demo we have to flip it in here. We're using a Ricoh. Now I want to go to Color Management, and how I handle color I'll choose here, and we're going to select Photoshop Elements Manages Color. The printer profile I want to use is going to be the one for the GX7000, which is the GX7000 Dytrans High Quality ICC. And I'm going to scroll down with my scroll bar over to the right, and I'm going to choose the GX7000. Rendering intent is going to be perceptual, and now I'm going to click OK. And if I were printing this job, I would be ready to print. But this is how you set up color management in Photoshop Elements 8.0. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to call us here at Condi 1-800-826-6332. You can speak with anyone in support. We have the after hours, which is 334 for all our Condi clients. Again, this is Vicki with Condi Systems. Thank you for your time.